Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Balamusizza mwenna mbitiibwa byammwe. Amanya n'eddoboozi nze ndugwa kafeero. Amanyikibwa nga Grenade Official. Ligwayo Paulo. Grenade Official Paulo. Bulijjo nali nasirika. Bulijjo nali nasirika busirisi. Naye nga nze bulijjo manyi taata wange. Sitegeera naye lw'okuba bino ebigenda mu maaso sajja mujjeeyo muziikudde muswazaswaza ositegeera kitiibwa kye mukitta kitiibwa kya taata wange mukitta ositegeera nesalawo ngenda kusindika oba omusaayi gwange gusindike busindisi naye kanejjire kanzije nkole DNA era buli amanyi mbu yakibaddemu kino ogenda kumbuulira lwaki muswazizza tata wange bulwakuba mwagala obubanja mwagala obusente sitegeera bulijjo nasirika bayirawe nasirika busirisi naye ku lw'ebigenda mu maaso muswaza tata wange muswazizza ebitiibwa byonna mubiiye nsazeewo nkomewo omusaayi sigenda gusindika busindisi nsazeewo nzije nkole DNA naye buli amanyi yakibaddemu ogenda kumpulira kafeero omutuufu nzijja ogenda kumpulira sigadde nze Grenade Official Paulo ndugwa kafeero.
Video eno tegendereddwamu kutyobola kitiibwa kya mugenzi Kafeero Paulo Jobu Kafeero naye ono omwana siwa Kafeero ono swazi siwa Kafeero kikyamazima n'enkaana gy'akayanamba nne bali abaana balala bafaanana Kafeero bali poole nono n'ennyimba gy'ayimbamu alina ebiyimba by'ayimba ekyamazima onuunya elementi erimu eya Kafeero n'ekubula n'okuyimba tamanyi yekakakwekake nebyayimba biriwo ebiro bityo ono omwana siwa Kafeero bana kino kibagambye ono omwana swazi siwa Kafeero tabangako wa Kafeero ono nyine kamufaana nekakubula amaaso omutwe ono omwana siwa Kafeero ono omwana yagambye mbu Chief Godwin wa muganda wa Chief Godwin wa mutabani wa Chief Godwin ekyamazima ono omwana afaana Chief Godwin swazi gamba nnyo kuba akyaliwo nga mulamu akufunira ekikikya totawana genda kuuma kadyene kajja kuswaliza bwereere gamba nnyo kwa kutwala gye yakuzaala ewatuufu naye toli mwana wa Kafeero abaana ba Kafeero bali abatuufu amazima bakakkamu naye bala bamufaana kati bw'otunulira omwana ono olabidde yafaana Kafeero mpozi singa mwagamba mu kifo kya swazo kaanira ogamba nti Kafeero singa Grenade yakanye nandigambyeko kalekaleko Grenade Official kupate yo mulaba afaananamu Kafeero naye ono omutabani ono si wa Kafeero Chief Godwin kima mutabani wo kima mutabani wo bamuganda wo kima omufumbi wo ku mikolo kima mutabani wo swazi gwa muzaala ekyamazima n'ekitone yagenda yekaka ekitone ky'okuyimba alina ebiyimba byayimba tebitegeereka tebinyuma namu talinamu yadde gundi ya Kafeero yonna.
Don't waste time studying and then you go to Dubai to clean people's buttocks. Do you think those people go there to be maids? They don't have better work to do. But they live a wealthy place like Uganda. They leave this country because they don't know what to do. But we want to thank His Excellency that he has catered for every group. He has thought of the youth who are graduates and they have no work by creating a special fund, a seed capital fund for graduates only. We want to thank him for thinking about our parents who have put in a lot of money to educate people and then they want to go to Dubai and be housemaids. You always see these niggers, the ones who put on big trousers and then they move like this, like their legs have springs. Do you know why they move like that? Because the homosexual, their behind is already ruptured and they cannot move straight, so they put on big pampers for aeration. In the book of Leviticus chapter 18 verse 22, it says, a man who's found sleeping with another man, meaning homosexuality, or a woman found sleeping with another woman should be cast to death up to their 4th generation. Therefore, homosexuality is an evil spirit and it's very evil, very wrong. A man was created for a woman, not a man for a man. So homosexuality will lead you to early death and you'll miss out to enjoy in this country. Uganda is the best country for the young people where everyone has an opportunity to be creative, to earn a living. Are we together?
Jesus was a Ugandan and a Musoga by tribe from Gadumire village. They said Jesus grew up along the river Nile. He took water from the Nile. He ate rice of the Basoga. It means he became a Musoga. So who says Jesus is a white? There is a way we were ideologically brainwashed. Anything that is good must be white. And anything bad must be black. Black, we are very expensive. And I'm very proud to be carbon. Have you ever found our neighbors in South Sudan complaining of being navy blue? They are happy to be. Therefore, we should be proud to be what we are. Are we together? Jesus was a Ugandan and a Musoga by tribe from Gadumire village. They said Jesus grew up along the river Nile. He took water from the Nile. He ate rice of the Basoga. It means he became a Musoga. So who says Jesus is a white? There is a way we were ideologically brainwashed. Anything that is good must be white. And anything bad must be black. Black, we are very expensive. And I'm very proud to be carbon. Have you ever found our neighbors in South Sudan complaining of being navy blue? They are happy to be. Therefore, we should be proud to be what we are. Are we together? In one of the schools where I went, I arrested a teacher. How can a teacher say she was impregnated by a senior 2 boy? I asked her, why are you doing a biological practical on the boy? If you're in senior 1 and you have a boyfriend, senior 2 you have a boyfriend, senior 3 they are eating you on credit. Ladies, are we there? By the time you get married, you don't have any gains to protect. So protect your gains very tightly. So we are today's leaders as the youth. That's why you see Jaja is associating very much with the youth, because we think wise. Therefore, we should be proud to be Ugandans of our cultures, where we come from. God, you're nothing without me. Don't be like one Muchiga called Igorogoza who went to Europe for the first time, that they've gone to sign the Buganda agreement. He could not even read and write. The Mchiga went there, he slept for 3 days. Every time they could call him for food, he says, no, hey. The Mzungu goes back and says, the man has said, no way. After sleeping hungry for 3 days, he comes back and goes to Kabbalah and says, he goes to church. Now he's thanking God for bringing him back safely from Manchester. He begins to pray and says, God, you're nothing without me. Then the colleague asked him that, then he said, no, I'm praying to God, saying that, God, I am nothing without you. Sina chendi wotoli. So singaya gonze nsonga nasaba mu Luganda oba mu Lukiga. God is the God of all languages. But he was pretending to be English. And that is the culture we are putting in our children today. Therefore, we should be proud to be Ugandans of our cultures, where we come from.
Do you think my baby is going to listen? Oh, I'm very good. I'm happy. I'm very happy. We are Tanzania. So now we are taken to Somalia. Oh, wow, what's fun?
How did you feel?
I feel very happy and excited.
How was the training process?
The training was
In the beginning it was difficult. There was a lot of stress, mental stress, physical stress, but at the end we successfully completed. We enjoyed a lot. At the end of the day, we are very happy to be here. We're very happy. Yeah, I can't describe my feelings today. You know, and I thank first of all the president, the CDF, the Chief of Defense Forces, and the UBDF for the support they have been giving us.
Bannayuganda muwulirize bulungi era nkusaba otambuze video eno. World Health Organization kye kitongole ekitwala ebyobulamu mu nsi yonna. Gavumenti ya munya mu nsiko ebintu ebyezze ebikola yagendayo ne bagamba eyina Ebola. Tebakola nsobi ne bakwata ssente ezikunukkirizamu bilioni 9.6 ne babawa. Ono Ebola ono ali mu kubatawaanya ono. Kati babasaba cases bane cases ziri wamatu ga muyina Ebola. Wano engambira buli muntu temuddamu kwerwaza agenda mu bulwaliro. Mwala bakiri ekirwadde ekivuddeko amabega kaawo corona covid. Werwaza ne bagana ne babensa empiso babakusse temuddamu kwerwaza mwaba boda abebaka ku ma stage oyamba bajja kukwata abasajja bakutwaleyo bagamba oyina Ebola. Mwefule busy abasajja babasaba cases zibabuze. Kati nzirawo ku kiri bulijjo kyembagamba politics yafuga eggwanga era politics avunanyizibwa ku bulamu bwa 100% either ogaggawala oba okusiraana okukka wansi. Abasajja bavumbula ekirwadde mu ggwanga tekiriiyo naye kiri mu bato kyalinga abamu kibata kyoli kiba tokyalinga direct abala indirect. America yasibye visa teri mu Uganda agenda mu America. Kati abadde bagenda mu America balina entambula zaabwe business kyekyo kyengambye abamu mukifunye direct aba indirect. Dubai yagadde visa. Dubai mwali mwateekamu visa zammwe kujja kulambula oba kujja kukola babasibiddeyo Kampala. Buli kimu kyetambuliza ku politics temuddamu siriwala. Babasajja bafunamu mwe bannansi bali mu bafiiriza. Kati muddemu mwasame ate mwefuule busy. Kondakito osumagiddemu abasajja bajja kukuba jeki bakutwale mu ddwaliro anti olina covid sima Ebola. Mwerwaziza